The end, when it finally came, was not a single cataclysmic event. It was a slow, drawn-out unraveling, a gradual decline. Perhaps it was climate change, the Earth choking on its own poisoned breath. Maybe artificial intelligence surpassed us, its cold logic viewing humanity as a threat, or perhaps we simply exhausted our resources, leaving our cradle barren and depleted. The possibilities were as numerous as the stars above. Humanity had faced many crossroads, moments where the course of history could have shifted with a single decision. The invention of nuclear weapons, the dawn of genetic engineering, the exploration of space. Each turning point presented a choice: destruction or progress, isolation or connection. For a time we managed to navigate these treacherous paths, but our luck, like all things, was finite. One unavoidable threat loomed large: the sun's impending death. As our star aged, it would swell, transforming from a life-giver to a harbinger of destruction. Its fiery expansion would engulf the inner planets, leaving Earth a charred, lifeless rock. To survive, we had to look beyond our cradle, towards the vast expanse of the cosmos. Interstellar migration became not a dream but a necessity, our only hope for survival. Section 5. Exodus among the stars. Generations toiled, pooling their knowledge and resources into building colossal spaceships. Arks designed to carry the remnants of humanity across the unimaginable gulf between stars. These vessels were more than just transport. They were self-sustaining worlds carrying the genetic legacy of Earth's biosphere, a testament to human ingenuity, even in the face of extinction. Section 6. Islands in the Cosmic Sea. In the vast expanse of the universe, where galaxies float like islands in a cosmic sea, humanity embarked on a journey of exploration and survival. The stars beckoned, promising new worlds and untold adventures. The journey was fraught with peril. Navigating through asteroid fields, dodging space debris, and surviving the harsh conditions of space travel tested the limits of human ingenuity and resilience. Each mission was a gamble, a high-stakes venture into the unknown. Many ships were lost to the dangers of interstellar space, rogue asteroids, radiation storms, and the ever-present threat of mechanical failure. The void of space was unforgiving, claiming countless lives and vessels. The silence of space was often broken by the sudden catastrophic impacts that spelled doom for many explorers, and the unforgiving cold of the void. The vast emptiness was a constant reminder of the isolation and vulnerability of those who dared to venture beyond the safety of their home planet. Drifting in the cold, dark expanse, many ships became ghostly relics, silent witnesses to the perils of space exploration. Those that made it found new homes, planets orbiting distant stars. These new worlds offered hope and a chance for a fresh start. Colonies were established, and humanity began to spread its roots across the galaxy, each new settlement a testament to human perseverance and adaptability. But with each successful voyage, humanity became more fragmented. The vast distances between colonies made communication and unity increasingly difficult. Each new world developed its own culture, its own way of life, slowly drifting apart from the others. Communication across the vastness of space became increasingly difficult, then impossible. The once interconnected human race found itself divided by light years of empty space. Messages took years to travel from one colony to another, and the bonds that once held humanity together began to fray. We were islands, scattered across a cosmic sea. Each colony, each ship, a solitary beacon of human life in the vast, unending darkness. The dream of a united humanity seemed to fade, replaced by the reality of isolation and the struggle for survival in an indifferent universe. Yet, even in this isolation, the spirit of exploration and the hope for connection endured, driving humanity ever forward into the unknown. Section 7. The universe's slow fade. Time, the universe's most relentless force, marched onward. Stars burned out, galaxies drifted apart, and the universe itself cooled. The background radiation, the faint afterglow of the Big Bang, faded into nothingness. Energy, the lifeblood of civilization, became increasingly scarce. The laws of physics dictated that the universe was winding down, its entropy inexorably increasing. The final act of the cosmic drama was approaching. Section 8. A legacy etched in stone. On that silent blue earth, a lone structure remained. The once bustling cities, filled with the hum of life and the pulse of civilization, had long since fallen silent. Nature had reclaimed much of what humanity had built, but this one structure stood defiant, a testament to a bygone era, a monolith of polished black stone, resistant to the ravages of time. It stood tall and unwavering, its surface untouched by the elements that had worn down everything else around it. This monolith was not just a structure, it was a symbol, a beacon of resilience and endurance. Inscribed upon its surface was a message, a record of humanity's triumphs and failures. The inscriptions told stories of great achievements, of technological marvels and cultural milestones, but they also spoke of mistakes, of wars and conflicts, of the hubris that led to humanity's downfall. It was a message in a bottle cast into the cosmic ocean, a desperate hope that someone, somewhere, might one day find it and remember the civilization that once graced the stars. The monolith was a silent guardian of these stories, waiting patiently for a new audience. As the stars twinkled in the vast expanse of space, the monolith stood as a bridge between the past and the future. It was a reminder that even in the face of extinction, humanity's legacy could endure. The hope was that one day, an explorer from a distant world might stumble upon this relic and learn of the species that once reached for the stars, leaving behind a legacy etched in stone. Section 9, The Last Mind. Trillions upon trillions of years passed. The universe was a vastly different place, cold, dark, and empty. Yet, amidst this desolation, a single consciousness persisted, the last human, evolved beyond recognition, existing as pure energy, a being of thought and memory. This entity held within it the collective knowledge and experiences of every human who ever lived. Section 10. A universe in a single gaze. It had witnessed the birth and death of stars, the collision of galaxies, the slow fade of the universe itself. It had experienced the entirety of time and space within the confines of its own being. The universe, once a vast and unknowable expanse, was now a single, comprehensible entity, held within the grasp of its consciousness. Section 11. The Echo of Existence. Alone, in the dying embers of the universe, the last human contemplated its existence. What was the purpose of it all? The rise and fall of civilizations, the endless cycle of creation and destruction? Was there meaning in this cosmic solitude? Or was it, as it had always seemed, simply the echo of existence fading into the silence of eternity?